shit. Hello, hello. How do I know if the mic is working? Mic is on. I guess we'll just... It is what it is. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back. It's been a minute. It's been a hot minute. I feel like it's been like a month, 2 months, maybe 3. Like, god damn. I kind of just like stopped doing YouTube for a bit, but we're back. I don't know, you know, with all this pandemic and stuff, I haven't really been picking up shoes. So like that's why, cause my channel is usually based around shoes, and I haven't really been picking up anything lately, cause a lot of stuff have been getting delayed. And not a lot of releases, not a lot of good stuff coming out in my opinion, but this year there's definitely a lot of bangers, and I definitely do have a banger for you guys today, an early look, first look. What I've been up to, I'm pretty much like a TikToker now. If you guys want to follow me on TikTok, description down below, same thing as my YouTube channel, JMexMartinez. You can follow me on there. I kind of blew up on there, so yeah, I would say I post a lot of funny stuff on there, so if you want to check me out on there. Follow me on Instagram as well. On Twitch, I have been streaming a lot on Twitch, so yeah, follow me on those. Link in the bio. No, not in bio. Link in the description. It's been a minute. Yeah, early look, kind of early, a day early, because these are actually going to be releasing on Saturday, which is February. I said February, March 6th. These are coming out March 6th. I got access to the Nike Sneakers app, and I managed to cop a pair in my size, and yeah, I got lucky. But these are dropping on Saturday, March 6th, 10 a.m. EST, and these just came in today. So it's enough talking. Let's take a look at these shoes. These are actually really nice in hand, so we're gonna take a look. Boom, Jordan 1 box. If you know, you know. All Jordan 1s come in these boxes, or in those red and black boxes, but you know, just a standard Jordan 1 box. Got these in my size, a size 9. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Color scheme on these is white, black, university blue. So if you know, you know. Already got him out. And here we have the Air Jordan 1 university blue things. These are clean in hand. These are very, very beautiful looking shoe. The suede on this is just buttery, and I do gotta say the leather, I don't know if it's just on this pair or what, but the leather is very, very beautiful. Like, look at this. I'll show you guys. Look at this though. On the side panel, it's white, bro. The fucking leather. The leather is just so buttery. It's soft. It's very nice. It's very nice and soft. But yeah, let's go over the shoe. Obviously, university blue. You got that blue color scheme going on in the shoe. The Wings logo is black. Air Jordan Wings logo right there with that nice suede. I get, would this be called suede? Suede or nubuck? It doesn't change color when you run your finger through it, I think. I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell, to be honest. But yeah, it's very nice material. Black swoosh, white side panel, and white leather side panel. Black swoosh. Bro, the leather on this, I don't know if it's just on my pair, but it's very nice and smooth. On this side, you have black leather up here. I don't even know what to call this, like the ankle area or whatever. The back is just that university blue. On the inside, another black Nike swoosh with the white leather on the side. On that toe area, the toe guard area, you got that university blue and that nubuck or suede. I don't know what you guys want to call this. On that toe area, you got some nice plush white leather on the toe area. Hold up. Let me take out the shoe tree, and then we can see how soft. Bro, I'm telling you, this leather is phenomenal. Very nice and plushy, very nice and soft. Like, bro, look at those wrinkles. Very, very nice. Your tongue is a white tongue, and then you got the Nike Air in that university blue. You know, just a standard Jordan 1 tongue. That bottom, ooh-wee, it's like this UNC type blue on the bottom. Very, very nice. Definitely love that. Looks very, very nice. Can you focus, camera, bruh? There we go. Boom! The university blue or the UNC blue type bottom. God damn, that shit looks beautiful. And then on your inside is just the standard black tongue with the Nike Air and the university blue colorway. And it comes with black laces, but it does come with extra laces if you want to give it a little pizzazz. It comes with these blue laces. I think I'll just stick with the black laces, but white laces would actually look kind of fire. Just saying. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the other shoe, the left shoe, little 360. The UNC University blue colorway, white, black. You can't go wrong with these. Your midsole's white. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's white. What I'm hearing is that compared to the mochas, there's less. This pair right here, they didn't make a lot compared to the mochas. Mochas, there was a lot more apparently. That's where I'm hearing. I'm not 100% sure on that, but that's the rumor going on. Apparently these are more limited. I have no clue, to be honest. I guess we'll see Saturday if a lot of people hit or not. And one thing I do want to say, my pair, like quality control on these is kind of like, bruh. Because I don't know if you see it right here. There's a glue stain right there. Right there. And then like you can kind of see the glue right here. And like, I don't know, it just feels like it wasn't really, like, I feel like they rushed it or something. Like even right here. Tell me you can see that. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but like right here you can kind of see some glue. Like, it just looks like they rushed it, you know what I mean? But other than that, quality is there. The colorway is beautiful. And like this ankle part right here, I know in some Jordan 1s they're kind of like stiff, but bro, right here, this shit is fucking soft. Like, look at that. It's like a teddy bear or something. It's very nice and soft. And bro, this colorway, oh my god, do that leather, bro. It's very, very good. Bro, I'm like looking at these and like, sheesh. Currently right now in the market, these are going around for like 400 bucks. Depending if these are limited or not. I can see these shoes go for like $350. But if these are limited, then they will definitely stay in at 400, around that 400 price point, resale wise. But retail is was it 160? Let me check. No, retail is 170. 170 right here. You can see this little flap right here. It says 170, not 160. Other than that, everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed this early look of the Air Jordan 1 University Blue. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys are going for a pair, and let me know your opinion on this shoe. Do you guys love them? Do you guys hate them? Do you guys don't even care? Let me know. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Like I said, I'll be live on twitch.tv/JMexMartinez. Follow me on there. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Instagram. Everything will be down in the description down below. And yeah, I'm back. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, guys.